Good evening, everyone. My name is John Maria Alegre. Now I am answering and explaining the task number 3 from EL102. The topic is synthetic categories. Now let's begin. Sentence letter E. Mary slumbered peacefully in her bed. Mary is noun, slumbered is verb, peacefully is adverb, in is preposition, her is pronoun or determiner, bed is noun. Sentence letter B. When will I be famous? When is conjunction, will is auxiliary, I is noun or pronoun, be is verb, famous is adjectives. Sentence letter C. The boss truly questioned the senior accountant about last month's losses. The is determiner, boss is noun, truly is adverb, questioned is verb, the is determiner, senior accountant is noun, about is preposition, last is determiner, months is noun, and loses is noun. Letter D, sentence. What has become of Mary? I don't know. What is compound or pronoun? Has is auxiliary, become is verb, of is preposition, Mary is noun, I is noun or pronoun, don't is auxiliary, no is verb. Letter E, sentence. She was found dead in her apartment. She is noun or pronoun, was is auxiliary, found is verb, dead is adjective, in is preposition, her is determiner or pronoun, apartment is noun. Letter F, sentence. Perhaps you will never find a job as a linguist, but you should at least give it a try. Perhaps is compound or adverb, you is noun or pronoun, will is auxiliary, never is adverb, find is verb, a is determiner, job is noun, as is preposition, a is determiner, linguist is noun, but is conjunction, you is noun or pronoun, should auxiliary, at least is adverb, give is verb, it is noun, a is determiner, and try is noun. Letter G, sentence. Mrs. Millers regrets that many of her good is old friends who she grew up together with have moved away into the Big Apple. Mrs. Miller is noun, regrets is verb, that is conjunction, many is determiner, of is preposition, her is determiner or pronoun, good is adjective, old is adjective, the is determiner, Big Apple is noun. Letter H, sentence. It's not literature that I'm fond of, but linguistic. It is noun, pronoun, and not is particle. Literature is noun, that is compound or pronoun, I'm is pronoun or noun, of is preposition, but is conjunction, linguistic is noun. Sentence letter I. Oh, what a beautiful house, and what a nicely laid coffee table. O is interjection, what is compound or pronoun, A is determiner, beautiful is adjective, House is noun. And is conjunction. What is compound or pronoun. A is determiner. Nicely is adjectives, or rather adverb. Laid is adjective. Noun, a coffee table is noun. Letter J, sentence. No, I do not like that one. I'll take this one. No is interjection. I is noun or pronoun. Do is auxiliary. Not is particle. Like is verb. That is determiner or pronoun. One is noun or pronoun. I'll is pronoun or verb. Take is verb. This is determiner or pronoun. One is noun or pronoun. That's all. Thank you.